This isn't for you. This isn't for you. You know this because on the very first day you set foot on campus as a new professor, the office administrator in the department that hired you treats you as an intruder. This isn't for you because on the day you deliver your first lecture, 2 Black students linger after class to ask you one pointed question. How did you get here? This isn't for you because at the end of every term, at least one student slips you a note saying that your presence in this space makes them feel like they might have a place here too. But this isn't for you. It's not for you because the very university that cuts your paycheck has also cut checks to the Philadelphia Police Foundation. You think of the guns that Penn paid for, and you distinctly remember the feeling of a cop's pistol pressed right against your skull. You will never forget this feeling. In a very real sense, you will never stop being a young Black man, unfairly profiled. And that's why you know this isn't for you. You feel it every time you walk by campus and Penn's private police eye you with suspicion. That sculpture on Woodland Walk may say love, but it's very clear that there's no love on campus for the likes of you. And all this is not for you. It is $2 million paid by the university back to the university in a master plan masquerading as public investment. It is nothing compared to the massive property taxes that Penn might have paid directly to you to do with as you would. And let's be clear, this is not for you. It is a brand management strategy. It is a public relations scheme by an institution that wants to get a Black talking head in front of an audience to claim that head and whatever ideas might be in it. This is for me, not you. This is for us.